The same breath used to blow out candles during happier times is now considered potential danger. Today's world has challenged our normal way of life, changed how we perceive things and form opinions. It is redefining how we survive, adapt, and evolve in this pandemic situation. Though the virus is affecting human race biologically, it is also threatening the existence of many organizations. The current challenges are also financial in nature. Businesses are affected and livelihood of many is at stake. The responsibility rests on leaders to take charge and deliver. Leaders are constantly trying to figure out ways to sustain and grow the organization. Business models have transformed rapidly. Many organizations have closed down, and employees of the surviving organizations are living in the fear of facing the sword. Businesses are finding it extremely challenging to find customers at profitable price points, especially when the competition is desperate to sell too. The current situation also calls for strengthening employee motivation and engagement parameters while focusing on delivering hope and assurance to investors. All stakeholders look up to leaders. But who should the leaders look up to? Where can they find answers? Right from the primitive ages, humans have always been inspired by surroundings, by the hidden wisdom present in wilderness. The stones rolling down the hills conceptualized wheels in automobiles. The soaring birds gave wings to the thought that humans can fly. And the fishes swimming in water gave birth to the concept of boats. It's not just in the primitive ages. Even when the human race was evolved, the answers to many questions have been by observing things. Who can forget Newton falling apple and the law of gravity? Or the moment of Eureka by Archimedes by understanding the water displacement? The answers lie around us, only if we shift our focus to observe and notice. Nature is constantly sharing valuable secrets. Wilderness is where everything started, and that's where our instincts develop. Different businesses existing in a territory are like different species of animals existing in a forest. So why not turn to the same Mother Nature and find answers for effective leadership in crisis? Soon, I will be on TEDx Nigombo Facebook Live event where I will share how to tackle competition, how to make organization profitable, and how to develop the true leader in you that stakeholders look up to. All of this by using wilderness wisdom. Stay tuned, stay safe.